Okay guys, so I've got one egg. It's Feb 10 and there's the egg over there. I don't know if you can see it. She's gotta get a lot of calcium. There she is. Day 2, Feb 11. I don't know if you can see the egg. This is day 3, Feb 12. And until now I couldn't have a picture to show you the egg. Maybe in day 4. So let's just wait. There's 2 eggs right now. It's day 3. This is day 5, Feb 14. I think today will be the day of the 3rd egg. But I didn't see any 3rd egg until yet. She keeps kicking him out. Day 6, February 15. Today is day 6, February 16. Today is supposed to be the day of the 4th egg. I think so, but still I didn't see the 4th egg yet. But yeah, day 8, February 17. Well, there's supposed to be 4 eggs right now, but I don't know. I'm gonna check from right here. Okay, so I can't check right now because they're both in right now. Okay, so maybe I'll have a snap on day 9. Until then, see you later. This is day 10, February 19. Day 14, February 23. Well, there's not that much that changed. I think we're in the incubation process, where the eggs get heat. The eggs are formed inside the eggs 24/7 until it hatches. Yeah, let's just wait. So I'll be skipping till the eggs hatch and fledge. Yeah, see you there day by day. It's March 1 and today I heard some chicks chirping, or actually one chick chirping because there was only one sound. This is March 2, day 2 of hatching. Today is March 3, day 21 since she laid first egg. And actually today, the second chick hatched. And they're sitting on it and they're feeding them both. And so the first egg is 2 days old right now. The second egg is 1 day old. So I am expecting right now that the 3rd egg will hatch after 2 days from now, which is day 23 since she started laying eggs. And let's just see. Today is March 4, day 22 since she started laying her first egg. And did I forget to tell you that this guy over here, his name is Spike, and she in the nest box, and her name is Sparkle. March 5, I just cleaned the nest box. There was one chick dead. But yeah, and so I don't have any time, so let's close it. It's March 6th and these cockatiels are acting like crazy. Today is March 8, day 8 for the bigger chick and 6 for the smaller chick. Let's have a look on them. Okay, here they are. So the bigger chick is 8 days old and the smaller one is 6 days old. March 9, day 9, for the bigger chick, of course. So it's March 12th, so that means that the older chick is now 12 days old and the younger chick is 10 days old. Okay, so it's March 13th. Day 14. So it's day 31, but I got a problem. The male was plucking that young chick's feathers, And so I separated him in this cage and the female is on top, and the chicks are grown because I saw this one plucked over here. I think because he needs more eggs, actually. I think he needs more eggs. But she's feeding and doing the job. So I actually thought of hand feeding them, and I bought this formula over here, but they didn't even care when I was just feeding from the syringe. They just moved their head whenever I wanted to feed them with the syringe. So I thought of another idea, and so the idea is that the female is on top of the cage and the male is not shouting anymore. I separate the female away from him and they're satisfied. But the problem is at night I have to put the nest box in the cage, back in the cage, and so the male will pluck them again. So yeah, see ya in day 32.